In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play two players on Disney Speedstorm on the PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can follow the instructions in this video and you will be able to do split screen on any platform for Disney Speedstorm. So even though I'm focusing on the PlayStation 5, these same steps can be applied to any other console. You will need an additional controller, of course. The mode is going to be available under multiplayer. When you choose multiplayer, you have to look for local free play. If this option is missing, or you see a locked symbol next to it, this means that it needs to be unlocked. So it's either not going to appear right away, or there's going to be a locked symbol. What you will have to do in this case is to just keep playing the game. You have to complete the starter circuit stages. Usually, according to what people say, it's going to be 3 stages, and after you have done these basic stages and you have progressed through the game, then it is going to become available. If it doesn't unlock, then research specific unlockment requirements. After you have it unlocked, choose local free play, and you can choose between 1, 2, 3, and 4 players. In this instance, we're going to select 2 players, but you can go up all the way to 4. Then you can choose any track from this list, customize it, and if everything looks okay, just tap next. And the most important part, make sure that you press one button on each controller. So player 1 presses a button followed by player 2. If you still need to connect a controller, this will be done by powering on the controller with the PlayStation button, and it should automatically connect. If it doesn't, try a combination of buttons like the PlayStation button and the share button, or consider using a cable. Either way, just find a method to connect your controller. If you are prompted with who's using this controller, you might have to create a user account to that secondary controller. So your account here from PlayStation Network will be set up right away, and you might need to create a new one. So go to add user and then create a PlayStation Network profile to that secondary user. You can potentially use it as a guest as well. Go through this process according to your preferences, and as long as you assign a user or a guest account to an additional controller, you can start local free play and do split screen on Disney Speedstorm. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.